Before we conclude, I would like to summarize today's discussion.
Yes, that would be helpful.
Okay, first, regarding transportation services, the company is unable to approve them at this time due to budget constraints.
Yes, we understand that the proposal has been rejected for now.
However, the issue may be reviewed again in the future if the financial situation improves.
Okay, that is acceptable to us.
Okay, the second one is we agreed to implement flexible working hours as a pilot program.
Yes, but only for suitable departments and roles.
Correct. Performance and productivity will still be closely monitored.
We agree with that condition.
The trial period will last for 2 months, after which we will evaluate the outcome.
That sounds reasonable.
So, to confirm, the employees accept the flexible working hours arrangement under this condition, right?
Yes, we accept the deal and are willing to cooperate fully.
Good, good. Thank you for representing the employees in a constructive manner.
Also, thank you for your transparency and consideration.
Let us end the discussion here and move forward positively.
Okay, agreed. Thank you for your time.
Welcome.